Welcome to AmiSights, a podcast that offers you access to thought leaders who can help you expand your entrepreneurial toolbox. Learn from seasoned entrepreneurs who have already walked in your shoes and can help you with your day-to-day business decisions. Join the founder and CEO of Multifunding, Ami Kassar, and his co-host Lynn Ozer, the president of Multifunding, aka the SBA Queen, as they help you navigate, grow, and stay in control of your business.
When I get to Wisconsin, the reality shows up in myself because I couldn't speak and I didn't work in Mexico. And now the reality start teach me discipline to really pay attention in life and start learning how to work. And that was a serious compromise to do it because the rhythm the American people they have in the cheese factory, it was exhausted. I never feel it. I mean, it was too much. They have so much discipline and so hard workers. They party and keep going work. And I learned that, and to depend myself and trust myself. The hardest time too is quiet. I didn't speak up for almost a year and a half. That made me to learn, and life was teaching me to observe and take the opportunities all the time.
Thanks for joining us today on AmiSights. Since 2010, Multifunding has helped businesses achieve their biggest growth goals through creative and personalized funding solutions, working with a network of the nation's top lenders. Visit us at multifunding.com, where you can meet our advisory team and learn more about how we help entrepreneurs fund their future.